Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking this quite interesting video. So I was passing through Umuahia again today and I decided to record this video and post it here so that you guys can see how the 6 lanes road that was completed I think some months ago, how it is. And it was renamed to Agui Rossi Boulevard. So drive with me down to Abia Tower, so you can see how this road is, how busy it is right now. You know, even while it was under construction, the contractors made sure that people were still using the road. You understand? And funny enough, like other places where you see road constructions, they go slow there, or it was reduced to its BRS minimum here because the government deployed, security personnel that made sure that movement in this road is very smooth. Now, this road was formerly a 4-lane road, but it was expanded to 6 lanes by the government of His Excellency Dr. Alex Chioma OT. So his plans to change the face of Umuahia, that most people used to refer to as a glorified village. He decided to bless the face of Umuahia with this very nice road. So now when you are coming inside Umuahia, at least you would know that you are coming into a state capital. Now this road you are seeing here, saved the people of Abia, like in terms of road congestion during festive periods. If you know this road too well, you agree with me that during festive periods, people coming back from different parts of the country to celebrate festivities, normally have issues while trying to pass through this road, because if you're coming from Amachara, you're coming from Enugu, Anambra, some other areas, you have to pass through this road. So it wasn't wide enough, not until it was expanded. Now as you're seeing it to 6 lanes road. Tell me what you think in the comments section. Do you think this road, is going to change, all this go slow for me? Yes, of course. I can even see the effect already. We are waiting for Christmas. We're already in August. A lot of people will be coming back. They'll be flying through these roads. It's not going to be like before. And December also, same thing. I remember a certain December, my cousin was coming from Lagos. I had to go receive him. I spent 2 hours on this road because of go slow. A lot of people, came back for Christmas, and I spent 2 hours in a place that would even take me up to, 20 minutes. It's 20 minutes or even 10 minutes from where I was coming from. So now that the road is much more, bigger, people are not going to be having that challenge again. So you can see over there, that is Abia Tower. But kindly watch to the end. I'm going to show you Abia Tower and show you the other section of this road, the other 3 lanes. If you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell above so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. As you're watching, you can drop your comments about what you think. You can click the like button and you can help me share this video so that other people can see that the once glorified village is having a new look. If you subscribed already, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And if you are a returning viewer, I really appreciate you for always making a chance in your tight schedule to watch my video. I really appreciate you guys a whole lot. So continue watching. Thanks.